A motherboard is the foundation of any system. Choosing a board which is compatible with all your components is something to check before you buy. Generally speaking though, you're going to want to find a board which suits your requirements both in terms of features and performance. The Z170A board supports 6th generation Intel processors, runs USB 3.1 which can offer performance twice as fast as a regular USB 3, and that's helpful for me as a producer when transferring video files to my editing computer. It also has a wide variety of features both technically and in guarding the system. Some of these are military class 5 build quality with titanium chokes, Guard Pro which is improved protection and power efficiency, over voltage protection, and their Click BIOS 5. Now some key features I wanted to overview were MSI Z170A LED, and this is a troubleshooting tool using 3 LEDs to indicate CPU, memory and VGA operation every time you boot up your system. If any of these run into problems, you can use the board LEDs to easily identify the source of your problem, which is pretty handy. It has enhanced CPU overvoltage protection, and this prevents overvoltage and short circuit damage of the CPU and other components. A red LED near the 24-pin CPU power connector lets you know that overvoltage protection is activated, and again that's for easier troubleshooting. The titanium choke uses a titanium core that has better ability in thermal and higher temperature tolerance. This allows the choke to run at a 220 degrees Celsius high temperature, having a 40% higher current capacity and a 30% improvement in power efficiency, as well as better overclocking power stability. Their dark cap features an aluminium core design. Dark caps has been a staple in high-end motherboard design and provide lower equivalent series resistance as well over its 10-year lifespan. Guard Pro contains a set of features which will give you protection against humidity, high temperatures, circuit integrity, electrostatic discharge and electromagnetic interference. The board is optimized for SLI and crossfire setups. Optimal PCI Express slot placement allows for better fitting and airflow, and the MSI Steel ARMA also helps protect your PCI Express slot against heavy graphics cards damaging those connections. The board setup features the intuitive Click BIOS 5, which we found was very easy to navigate and displayed all relevant information clearly and concisely for a faster customized setup. The board has good internal connection layouts for your fan headers and cooling systems, and this assists you in cable management, keeping the system organized and clean looking. The next component we're going to be looking at is the MSI 1070 X8G GPU.